Imagine a world where factories think for themselves. We're on the brink of industrial autonomy, where AI and IoT transform manufacturing into a seamless, intelligent ecosystem. Curious about how this revolution unfolds? Let's dive in. AI, IoT, and edge computing are the backbone of modern factories. These technologies enable real-time data processing, predictive analytics, and smarter decision-making, enhancing efficiency and sustainability across the board. The AI-powered iFactory stands on 6 pillars: digital, O&M management, machine inspection, predictive maintenance, energy management, industrial safety, and M2M intelligence. Each pillar plays a crucial role in smarter manufacturing. Integrating these technologies leads to enhanced efficiency and safety. Predictive maintenance reduces downtime, while energy management optimizes resource use. Together, they create a resilient, sustainable manufacturing environment. Digital transformation is no longer optional, it's essential for staying competitive. Advantech solutions offer a clear path to modernizing your factory, enhancing productivity, and achieving sustainability goals. Ready to transform your factory? Download the iFactory ebook for detailed insights and strategies. Start your journey towards smarter manufacturing today and unlock the full potential of your operations. Thank you for watching, and visit advantech.com to learn more about Advantech's solutions.